Excited! I'm gonna be making an appetizer using these right here. Let me show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get started by melting a half a stick of butter. Now I'm gonna go in with some Dijon mustard, maybe about a tablespoon. And a couple of dashes of some Worcestershire sauce. Now I'm going in with the blend, which is just garlic, salt, and pepper. This is my favorite seasoning. Next up, some red pepper flake, but not too much. Okay, so what I've done here is I have put together butter, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, Kinder's the blend, and red pepper flake. I'm gonna mix this up. Time to prepare my crackers. I'm just laying them down with the pretty side down and kind of like the flat side up. I'm not going to make too many of these because it is just me and my guy tonight. Now I'm going to cut little squares of this ham that I had left over and place those onto the golden rounds. You could also use some deli meat. Now I'm going to cut little squares of this cheddar that I have. It's the New York white cheddar I get from Aldi, and I'm going to place the little squares on top of the ham. I went ahead and heated back up the butter. I just wanted it nice and like loose, like just liquid. Now I'm going to place the other crackers on top. Now I'm just going to drizzle that butter concoction over top of the crackers. It's going to go in the toaster oven for about 6 minutes or so. All right, I got my toaster oven at 350, and we're going to pop these bad boys in there. See you in 7 minutes. I'm gonna have to let these cool off before I try one. Here we go. That is a good appetizer. Put that out at your party. That's delicious. Ritz crackers with ham and cheese and a little butter concoction on top. Appetizer for a party.
Tasty.
It is good. How simple too. They're good. I did put a little bit of red pepper flake in it too. I don't know. Maybe should have put a little bit more, but good? Friends, these were delicious. I really hope you give these a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.